video. Today we'll possibly look at the candidates which can give a trade or give a good setup for tomorrow trade. But first of all, we should start from the Nifty analysis. As you can see, tomorrow was a very fantastic session for the bulls. It went up to create a new structure high from here. It broke up. Now, as per my system, it's simple. The expectation was for pullback, and we got a pullback today. It opened, uh, around 1.5% down, gap down, but still that gap down did not break our premise of upside because we already had made new structure high here. So our expectation was that we will be getting a pullback somewhere around 61.8. So it has exactly reached 61.8. The magic you see. All right. So once it was a gap down, I was just looking for a long entry, and in that position, I just plotted my Fibonacci tool from here to here, and I did not get a trade here, did not get an entry here, and after that I put the same thing here, and I got the entry somewhere around here. I was looking to buy here in this candle high area. Why? Because you see, this is the last sell candle, after which a long rally was started on 3-minute chart. So this was the candle where transition of buyers and sellers was happening. As per my system, you can also enter at 17, 68 rough area around 61.8. But I was looking for a precise entry because the momentum after gap down would be to the to the sell side. That's why I was looking that since we have not achieved 61.8 retracement of this entire swing, and it is still premature, pullback. So I was just, very cautious on that one. And after entering, price, boom, drifted down, and my stop loss was there. So it was a losing trade. After that, I did not take any trade because I did not take any sell trade because I was thinking the market is still bullish. But since it hit this 61.8 area around here, now I have a full premise that it will be a bullish trade. Still, I was not able to make enter here because I was not at the screen. But if anybody wanted, this would have been a very good scalping trade with a positive, target. Entry here and a target will be met somewhere around here. It would be a very easy entry here. So I did not take this. Only one and one trade, and it was a losing trade. No problem with that. So what do we expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow's session, we already have got swings to the upside. So I will see that this swing, which is currently in progress, should be something which should give a best possible entry for long tomorrow. This is only valid if the price is doing something what we are expecting in this area. If it is gap, opening gap up or gap down more than 1% or half, then it will be a certainly different ball game. We will have to analyze the swing as per that. But what I see from here, at least the market should head upside. This is what I'm thinking, because the required pullback already occurred through gap down today. So this is what I'm thinking. This is our range. It is a small range. If price opens somewhere around this lower end of the area, I'll be opening a long trade around 17,550 or 560 for a target upside to the 17,700 or this sale area, 17,650 area. So this is your pitch for tomorrow's entry. This is entire swing, and this area will be your discount area to entry. All right, so let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Okay, first one is DLF. One of the friends have requested some analysis on DLF today. As we can see, he has quoted that he was looking to enter around 61.8 retracement of this swing, but as I can see on this chart of trading view, the entry couldn't have triggered here. it was very very close to 61.8. So one thing which you can employ is something called cheat cheat entry. Whenever you see a very small swing high swing low created like this, I would suggest to enter somewhere around here. Once price moves from here and breaks this small cheat area, a small pivot area or a small swing area, this one, you see, around 61.8, and it starts moving up, then this breakout or this very small movement here can be your entry. Getting my point? Moreover, I would just do one thing. I would measure on 3 minute chart as, yeah, through this retracement tool, and wherever this is the price of 61.8, I would just place a limit entry. But the friend who commented was saying he does not want to enter a limit order. So what you can do, if you see a price pattern something like this, closer to 61.8 rotation, and price starts doing this, a very small movement, and going just above this, so that we can be double sure that price is not going down. You see, if price has to go down, it will certainly do something like this. But if you see a very small swing like this and price moves here, just buy here. Getting my point? Just buy here. You will not miss entry. All right? I think you would be, understanding what I'm saying. Once price starts moving above this cheat area, very small area, buy here. Put the stop loss here. Aggressive entry. And your, target will be one-to-one extension somewhere around here. Big target. On the same ground, you would have taken entry somewhere around here. Here, buy above this particular candle high and place the stop loss here. Aggressive entry again, but very good RNR, and somewhere around here you would have achieved the target. So what do we next look for tomorrow? Tomorrow, my trading system is simple. Pull back in this area, entry around 395.75, SL around 394.5 below here, target 401. But if you are not getting the entry around 61.8, just follow the cheat rule. Look this thing to happen. A move up, a very small slight pullback, a turn up, buy here. That's simple. Simple as that. But it should be closer to 61.8. Hope your query is resolved. Alright. So let's move to next stock. It is Hindustan Unilever. This is a slow moving stock, so this won't be a one day or intraday target or intraday trade. But since you can see it has moved very much higher yesterday and retraced beautifully to this area, our mm, anticipated area. So as we can see, it had started moving up, making new highs. So I will be entering long around 2608 with SL around 2603.5 with a target. I am thinking to have one-to-one extension of this one 2690. It will be a big target, so it will be maybe a couple of days or 3 days trade. On same grounds, it is SBI card, nice movement upside, retracement. If the price is slowing down here, get entry around 920, SL 909.5, and target will be 127 extension of this swing, which will be around 962. Lastly, it's Balrampur Chini. The sugar stocks has been making a buzz these days. They are moving up. So I'll be buying around 353.2 here. SL will be 349.85, and target will be one-to-one of this one, which will be around 365, 365.5 or 365. So this is it for tomorrow. The stock which I think can give a good potential tomorrow for a movement and our Nifty analysis. If you find this useful, please do subscribe. And if any case you are having any query or questions or suggestions, do post in the comment section. They are most welcome. Till then, thank you.